Thanks a lot, guys, for checking my videos. This is my 11th helpful and useful video out of 100. Everyone is invited to watch the previous videos. Okay, guys, let's check out trap number 4. The games start with e4, e5, knight f3, and then pawn d6. It's called the Philidor defense. White plays d4, attacking the center. And now black tries Philidor's countergambit. This is pawn to f5. White plays the best move, bishop c4. Following this diagonal and also preparing to castle. It's called the Lopez Countergambit. Black takes on d4 and e takes on d5. Now this e-file is white open, so black goes for queen e7 check. White could block with his bishop, but he plays king d2. The idea was to bring the rook to e1 and pin the queen, but black does not care about that and plays pawn to g6. White plays rook to e1, as respected. Black is in a big trouble because his queen is trapped. But wait, guys, look at the board. White king is open. There are going to be many checks from here, so black plays bishop h6 check. Then king d3, since the only logical reply. Then we give the check with our other bishop, bishop f5 check. King takes on d4 is the only logical move. Bishop comes down, bishop g7 check. White king has come down. And finally, black plays pawn c6, and that's dangerous checkmate. Guys, this video is end. Please support this small channel because my dream of 100K subscribers in my channel. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, and always be good. Tata and bye-bye.